This is the video for the cut sheet game. Here in the blue note box it says you are asked to cut 10 different size pieces out of a sheet. First, select the active size from one of the 10 colored sizes. Each size shows total required and still needed. Well, down here are the 10 colored sizes, and each one of them says a number on top is what's required, and on the bottom how many are still needed. That is, they haven't been set to be cut out of the sheet. If the size had no requirements or all the required pieces have been set, the size cannot be active. Here all the sizes right now can be active because they all are required. I can click that one and click back to that one. They're required. Click on the left side of the size for landscape or right side for portrait. Either side if it is a square. Well, you see, right now it's a square. It wouldn't matter what side I clicked on, it would still be a square. But here, this dark green one, if I click on it, on the right side, it's portrait. If I click on the left side, it's landscape. After you have clicked on the size, click on the sheet position for the piece's upper left corner. Well, I'm going to take that one away and replace it with a big square. I'm going to go here to the upper left-hand corner of the sheet, and that's where I want the upper left-hand corner of that blue piece. And there it is. If I want to put one below it, I have to come down here and click where its upper left-hand corner would be, and I'll put 3 of them in a row there. And it says there are 100 different games. And here's where you enter the game number. It can be game 0 to game 99. Now it says click next. The selected size must fit on the sheet, and it cannot overlap a piece that has already been set. For instance, I'm going to take this one away by clicking on it. I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to take that one away. Now, if I tried to put the third blue one between here, I can click all I want, and it won't go there. To remove a piece from the solution, click on it on the sheet. It will then be shown as still needed. So I'll click on this one, and the still needed now goes to 2. The sizes are 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 5, here 3 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 5. Down here we're 4 by 4 and 4 by 5, and here 5 by 5. You can toggle between your work solution and the program solution by clicking on the blue box. Here's the blue box. It's going to show us a program solution. There it is. I'll click it back. To go to another game, enter the game number 0 to 99 in the orange box. Each game has different size requirements. You see right here the requirements are 3 for each thing. That's game 9. But all the other games have different requirements for the different sizes. Your work solution is saved in the browser's local storage, so you can revisit the game at any time. So that is, you could work on a game and start putting the pieces in here, and then say, oh, I can't finish the puzzle now. You could just leave and come back later, and the browser will remember this particular game. Now I'm going to click next. There are many solutions to each game. The program solution is just one of many. That is, as you put these sizes on the sheet. There's more than one way you can do it. The main problem is that there are no sizes that are 1 by n, where n is a value from 1 to 5. You can get in a position where you have an area that is just 1 wide. You're in a problem then. You've got to get rid of that. In this game, there is no waste of sheet material. The solution always uses the entire sheet. The problem always has the same area here as the sheet. The sheet is 15 by 25. The program solution was already known. The program did not solve the problem. Alright, that's the end of the explanation of playing the cut sheet game. Now we'll go to the program of the cut sheet game by clicking on Program in the red stripe. Here is part of the main program of the cut sheet program. Over here on the right in these blue boxes, the first one says execute the application. That'll go back to where we were. This one here says save the application. That is, you could make changes to this program now and then run it your way by first saving it here. You could create a new application by clicking here, create a new subprogram. Down here you see a list of the programs that are used in this app. There is the main program, which calls itself the cut sheet program. Then there's 3 subprograms: Enter Solutions, Subprogram 2, and Read and Write to Local Storage. And the rest of these blue boxes are for copying instructions from one program to another program, or from one program to a total other application of this P code. Below here are the brown boxes where the tools are for the P code programming. We have list of values, page to text, comments, captions, and learn about ASCII and colors and patterns and font sizes, things you need to know to write a P code program. Below here is a list of YouTube videos for building applications, from creating it to building an actual HTML file for your application. And below that, there is an app that contains a lot of examples of the actions used in this P code. Here in the instructions here for the main program is the first column is for actions. Those are P code actions, and they'll be described by this particular application. Below that is a list of HTML5 P code YouTube videos about building apps. Alright, now we're going to click on the one here, execute the application, the blue box. Now we're back to where we were. Now at the bottom of this, there's Start App, A through T. If you save the application after you made changes to it, you save it to one of these letters. Then when you come here where apps are being run, you can click on that letter and it will start the app the way you changed it. Then below that, there's a list of HTML5 P code apps that you can run. This is just some of them. There's more below, and they get added to all the time. Alright, this is the end of the cut sheet video.